Select enter, select star comma enter of n over order by column name, ascending or descending as column name from table name.
What is the syntax this is for?
Sorry, for entire function.
Like, what does it do?
I'll tell you. Just write down the syntax first. Finished? Okay. Let me take any table here. Okay. So here I have totally 18 rows in my table. Okay. So for an example, what entire function will do is, okay. So here I have mentioned n, right? N is nothing but the entire function will divide the number of rows into number of parts actually. So for an example, if I mention entire of 4, right? This 18 rows, it will divide into 4 parts. Okay. It will divide into 4 parts. Okay. So how it will divide and what exactly will assign, so we'll just see now. Okay. So for an example, 18 rows, I'm going to divide into, say, 6 parts. You need to mention entile of 6 and any column ascending or descending, and as alias column, let's say entile from my table name. Okay, the table name is employee audit. So if you execute it, right? So if you go right hand side, totally how many rows? 18 rows, correct? So 18 rows. So if you divide into 3 parts, so what will happen? I mean, 6 parts.
Three rows.
So yeah, first every 3 rows will be considered as one partition, correct? Or one part, right? So if you see, first 3 rows are considered as one partition. So that's why it is assigning as 1 1 1, and the second partition 2 2 2, then third, fourth, fifth, like this. Totally 6 parts. Okay, and it is equally dividing because there are 6 parts, right? For an example, so it is basically 18 by 6. Okay, so if I do 7, we'll see what will happen. Yeah, you can see first 3 means 3 ones and 3 twos, 3 threes, 3 fours, and then if you see 2 5s, 2 6, 2 7, because we need totally 7 parts, right? This 18 rows we have to decide and divide into 7 parts. Okay, so let me show you how it will gonna divide this number of rows into number of parts usually. So let me take a T1 table and ID1 column, and 1 2 3 4 5 9 10. Okay, so let's say if I mention 3 parts, right? Totally entire of 3 means, so there are 10 rows, correct? So if there are 9 rows, we can it can easily divide into 3 parts, right? 3 3 3, correct? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So, but here we have totally 4 rows, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So basically what it will do is, just a second. It will assign on match P1. No. So here it has to divide 10 rows into 3 parts, right? So basically, so if I divide first 3 rows and second 3 rows and third 3 rows into 3 parts, so we have a 1 row left out here, correct? Yes.
Yeah.
So now
Yes, sir.
what exactly it will do is, so if there is an extra row is there, right? That row will be considered for the first, first partition. So basically in first partition, how many rows will come now? Totally
Totally
4 rows will come, correct?
Yeah.
First 4 rows will be considered as partition 1, and then this will be partition 2, and then this is partition 3. Okay, now how the values will assign is, see, as this is the first partition, it will assign 1. Okay, and in the second partition, first row it will be 2, third partition it will be 3,
Oh,
and in a similar way again 1, 2, 3, same 1, 2, 3. Now this is fine, the second and third partition is already full now, but in the in the first partition we have one more row is extra, right? So for
Yeah.
that again it's a partition 1 only, right? So it will be giving 1 only. So 4 ones and 3 twos and 3 threes. So now it is equally divided into 3 parts, correct? Now in the similar way, if I put 5, what will happen? Entile of 5 means,
only 2 parts.
entile 3 means this, and entile of 5 means what?
Only
So,
2 parts.
yeah,
Two
so
parts.
Only
how
2.
many number of rows
So
are there? 10, correct?
So
The formula is
yeah.
basically n by 2, n by
Rows by number
yeah,
of type.
number of rows divided by n, the entile of number actually. Okay, so now it is equal parts, right? 10 means 5, 10 divided by 5. So two rows will come into the picture, correct? In each partition. So now 1, 1,
2,
2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 4. Okay, now if I mention entile of 4 means, then
2 parts. 3, 3, 2, 2.
so you just see how we can easily see. First it has to take the equal number of parts. Okay, so if I can take 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now so what will happen? Extra 2 rows are there, correct? So what it will do is, for first 3 rows it will take 1, 2, 3, first partition, and second partition 4, 5, 6. Third partition it will equally take it as 7, 8 and 8, 9. So basically like 1, 1, 1. This is first partition. See, the priority will always the more number of rows, if there are extra number of rows are there, right? The first priority will go for the first partition. Okay, if it is full, then it will go and assign the extra values to the second partition, that too equally. See, now it is equal, right? 3, 3, then again 3, 4, 4. So total number of parts will be 4 parts, correct? So this is how it will assign. See, you no need to worry. So when you write a query, automatically it will get assigned. So let me show you. So if I can put entire of 10 something, let's see what will happen. 18 rows, it will divide into 10 parts. We'll see how it will decide. So if you see, first 2 rows, partition 1, partition 2, 3, 4, 5. So which means first 5 partitions, it is equally divided. And even 6 also, 7 also. Correct? 8. But whereas when it comes to the 9 and 10, right, it is giving only one row. That is the maximum rows it can assign for 9 and 10 partitions. Till 8, it is assigning 2 rows. So 2 rows means how many? It will be 16 rows are covered already, correct?
Yeah.
The remaining number of rows will be 2. So I have to definitely divide into 10 parts, right? So what it will do in each partition, it will assign single row. Okay. So based upon the partition, I mean the number of parts, whatever we need to do, right? So you need to mention entire of that, and depends on the number of rows, it will equally divide and assign the number of rows into the number. I mean assign the I can say entire of numbers. Okay, for all the rows. This is the functionality of entire. Understand? Any questions?
Yes,
Sir, can you
Vinod?
give Excel sheet
Sorry. Yeah, I'll go.
in?
Uh,
Yeah, tell me.
Yes,
Yeah.
your what you said in entile 4 means the assume that there are 10 rows. You only told 10 by 4 means it will give only 2 parts, sir. 2 partitions.
10 by 4. No.
Yes.
See, 10 by 4 means it's not like always, it will divide in a, see, if there are 5, right, then
Yeah.
it can easily divide, okay, which means
Okay.
two parts, two rows in will come in every part. And
no, this one is telling number of rows divided by n title. It is taking like 10 by 4. So only 2 rows will come. Extra 2
no, it's
rows will
not
be
like
there.
that. It's not like, see, this formula you can apply for the even rows if there are even rows are there. Okay, so if even number of rows means totally 10 are there, and if you divide easily with 5, right, so the remainder should come 0 actually. Okay, if that's the case, it will equally divide. When it comes to 4, right, so you cannot divide like 10 divided by 4. So here 4 means the 10 rows you have to divide into 4 parts. Okay,
Whatever that entire number it is there, that is going to be the number of partitions.
yes, number of partitions, exactly. So
yeah.
in such a case, you cannot use this formula.
Yes.
Okay, so when exactly you need to use this formula means whenever the remainder will come 0, right, when you divide. In such a case, this will be help us.
Yes.
So I have one small doubt here.
Yeah.
Let us consider it is dividing with respect to ascending order.
Mm-hmm.
So in tile 3,
Mm-hmm.
it will be 1, 2, 3, 4,
Mm-hmm.
or is it in any other way?
Which one? Entire of 3.
Yeah, the order will be 1, 2, 3, 4 one group, 4, 5, 6 another group. Sorry, not 4, 5, 6, 7 one group, 8, 9, 10 one group. Is it so?
Yes, it's because of we are sorting the data, right, in
Yeah,
order in entire. So based upon whichever column you sorted, on top of it, this entire will divide
So the
the.
first group will be 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yes, exactly.
If we give descending order, it will be reversed. That's it,
Yes.
right?
So then 10, 9, 8, 7 will be first partition.
Okay.
Okay. See, it will try to give the equal number of parts, I mean equal number of rows for each partition. But if there are extra rows are there, again that extra row will be considered into the first partition. Priority will be always first partition. If that is done, then it will go and assign the extra rows into the second partition. It will try to make it equal, most probably. Next. Next. No questions? Okay, just write down. So you just mention T1, this one, the values, okay, and mention like entail of 3, 5, 4. Okay. So maybe if they may ask, right, they'll ask what is entail function, what exactly it will do. You can give this example and tell them like you didn't use any of your real-time scenarios. Okay, I never faced any situation on top of entail actually.
Sir, can you give any definition for entail, sir?
Entail will divide entile will divide number of rows into entile will divide number of rows into entile will divide number of rows into number of partitions. Okay. Yeah, write down this. And mention entile of 3, 5, and 4.
ಅಮ್ಮ ಹಿಂದೆ ಇದಾರೆ.
Sir, in entile 4, we can take like 3 3s and 1 4 in last.
Sorry, entire.
Entile 4. In last, you can take 3 3s and 1 4.
No, it should not be like that. It will maximum what it will do. It will try to allocate the equal number of rows for each partition. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So that's why 2 3s and 2 4s it will assign. Done.
Yes.
Finished.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. So
partition. Hello.
yes, yes.
So while partition, in all the columns like entile and entile 4, it's always take higher partitions in the above and the lower partitions in the
Correct.
below.
Correct.
It
Higher
will maintain the
higher
same
number of
format.
rows in the partition top partitions, and then lower number of rows into the next partitions.
It always maintain the same format, sir.
Yes, it will try to maintain the same number of rows in all the partitions but all there is an extra rows will come. That will again push it to the
First two
top
partitions.
partitions.
Partition.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. So Tejasvi, can you share your screen and show me that top queries, please? Tejasvi, are you there?
It's been not just 2 minutes. I'm just opening my SQL.
Yeah, please.
Yes, you know it's ready. I'm sharing now.
Yeah. Can everyone see his screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, so he has kept a tough. I mean, the account details table. There
It
are
is
5
below,
rows.
you know, for transaction details. I have did it.
Okay, that's fine.
Next table.
Show me that.
One second. Yeah, this table.
Okay.
Let me clear everything here. Yesterday morning also I was showing. Yeah.
No, it won't exit.
One second.
Because after top,
Yes, sir. This is no
Yeah.
normal table
And there is
without
a-
anything, without ascending or any top back.
Yeah. Can you execute top one?
Yeah.
So if you can see in the table, okay, so here 101 to 110 rows are there, totally 10 rows in the table. So when we are keeping which row should come usually?
no.
Top one means no, without order by you execute.
Okay.
Yeah, 1 second. So when you execute, see it is select top one star. It is not select star top one.
Okay.
The first
Select.
row it is going to select
Which one it will select?
101.
101.
So it should basically give 101 because that is the top records, correct?
Correct.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So let go this. So it's giving 101. So can you execute? I mean, next to 2, 3, top 2, 3. Okay, it's giving now. Top 3. Okay, it's giving the same.
1 second. 1 second, Vinod.
They
All
just
the amount are same here.
that the transaction amounts in the group you texted there is different values.
Yeah, I have not saved that. 1 second. Let me change this, Vinod.
Yeah, please.
What are the values I gave?
Just give some random.
No, the previous value was good. So
I can
We
tell
have
you,
not
you can
saved
just type
Just
it.
give the lesser
Before
one.
that, just delete the number of rows there. I'll tell you.
Vinod.
I'll tell you the values. You just delete the rows from the table first.
30.
Yeah. So for 101, 20,000, second row, 102, 2,000, then 30,000, then 3 lakhs 50, then 2 lakhs 8,000, then 45,000, then 28,000, sorry, 10,000, 45, 10, 28, 32, 185. Delete the rows first.
Yes.
Yeah, delete the data.
So we'll go top one. It is 20,000. Top two. It is 20,000 and 2,000. Top three. It is 20,000, 2,000 and 30,000.
Now it's giving properly, right?
No. Yeah, it is giving according to this order. That's it. Because we have not given any order by.
But so here, see, I think when you're sharing, I mean, shared that screenshot, right? That point of time when you're doing top one to me, so it is showing a different value, correct? 1 or 2 something.
Yeah,
correct?
because I had given order by there, order by ascending order.
Okay, fine, that's fine. I'll explain to you. See, when you guys just listen, when you execute a top class without order by, right? Okay, so it's act like I mean, it will basically give us the non-deterministic rows, which means that, so you know about this lottery, right?
Correct.
So in lottery, if I'll pick if I want to pick 10 people, right? So what they will do, they will just take the lottery. We don't know whose number will come, correct?
Correct.
Yes, in the same case, SQL Server also, when you execute a top, right, without a order by, which means you're not doing any sorting. Okay. Now SQL Server will decide, what for top rows it has to give. It's not like exactly top 4 records. It may give some other records also. Okay. So that's how it will act. So now when you keep top with order by class, then you will get the deterministic number of rows. Deterministic means it will determine what exactly is the top 4 when you keep a order by class. Okay, without a order by class, we may get it, or we may get some other number of rows also. Okay, so we cannot predict actually. That's how SQL Server will act when you keep a top without a order by class. So that's why top without order by class, it's basically considered as a non-deterministic rows, which means it cannot determine which number of rows I have to represent in top 4. Clear? That's why even when we apply this row number ranking functions, right? So I said order by class is mandatory, correct?
Yes.
So it's because of it will give us the deterministic numbers. Clear?
Yeah.
Understand?
Yes, Vinod.
Any questions?
No, then when I give order by also the order differs. What is the reason for that?
When you give order by?
Let me show you.
What he give column name. When he sort order by also, if we go
They
for
just
top
give
one,
column mention the column name.
order by.
With respect to account number I am giving,
Mm-hmm.
like let me show you first top 10. So it will bend. So this is top 10. Like all the account number will come in the beginning and account number 2 will come next and account number 4 and account number 5.
Okay.
And now I will give top 1. So here the top 1 was 1,85,000 transaction. But when I give top 1 with respect to ascending order,
So it will give 101 only. 102.
no, it is giving 2,000 transaction. Let me show you again. Again, if I give top 2,
20,000.
no, it is 30,000 and 2,000. It is giving 1 only, but among 1 it is changing. The position is changing among account number 1. If I give top 3, it is 30,000, 2,000 and 20,000. As I increase the top number, it will change.
Sir, here it's taking date is priority, sir. I think.
No. Even date is not the priority. I will show you. Even I observed that even date is not the priority here. Up to this, even I felt that date was the priority. But now you can check. See here, 30. Okay, 11 is the first 10, but
Just to see the month, bro.
Yeah, month. But see the transaction number 3 and 4. It is 30 and then 11.
Yeah, first priority it's taking account number. After that again it's taking, I think, transaction date.
How can we understand it? Because it is random. I will show you again. If I go for 6, it will change. 5 is this. For 6, it will change again. 6 and 7.
Automate to transaction amount.
No, it's not with even the transaction amount
Not
will
by
change.
transaction amount and transaction number. Even also to date.
If I give your account number, order by account number and another number, it will come in a proper way. But only if I give account number, this is the thing observed.
1 second. Just wait there only. I'll just.
See, 110 is in the fifth row. That 1,85,000 transaction. But if I give top 10, this 110 will go in the beginning.
Can you execute without sorting? I mean, even remove the top also. I just need the plain table. Select star from table name. And execute and show. Without order by. Yeah.
Then it is how I have entered, sir.
No, that's. I'm just taking the screenshot of it. Okay.
Sir, how got it, sir?
But-
Like how it's sorting?
Sorry?
I got the answer, sir. Like, seriously, can you do that top 10 by using the order by using the account number?
One second, I will do.
Yeah. But as per first thing, it's sorting out along with the month, sir. As per months, it's sorting. Okay. And inside the month also, it will take the transaction number. You can see, sir. Whichever the first transaction number, it is coming up. We'll see this.
No,
Sir, I think
that is,
one thing
it
I
is
need to
proper
say-
only up to top 5. After top 6, it will change.
1 second, bro. 1 second. Do it.
Okay.
Sir, as per table insert values, it's taking, sir. I think.
No.
This is top 10.
Yeah, see that. What is here like transaction account numbers it's taking, right? And
Yeah.
you have told that this one 5th month something repeated.
See,
Right?
okay, you're telling among one only, it is 9th month, then 5th month, then again it is 1st month. What is the order here? And again it is 3rd month. There is no
here,
proper order.
Here transaction date is not considered.
Sir, here inserted values, it's row by row, it's taking, sir. I think.
He inserted.
So when we
101
20,000
first.
first. Yeah, that's one it's taking, I think.
No, here it is taking 1,85,000 because 1,85,000 is my last transaction. That's what Vinod sir took the screenshot without anything, without any top class or order by class.
1 second. Top 10 ascending, right? When you do ascending, this one.
I did all the trial and error method with respect to date, status, transaction amount, transaction number, but it is random. There is no proper order.
So do you have a foreign key here?
No. Yeah, there is a foreign key.
Okay.
I
Can you
given foreign key for account number.
can you okay, account number? Can you drop that foreign key and try?
Okay, just give me 1 minute. I need to delete everything now.
No, just drop that foreign key. Why do you want to delete everything?
Copy and paste it from above.
It is dropped, right?
Drop constraint name.
No, you should go to the table and get
Go
it.
to
Object
things,
Explorer.
Object Explorer.
go to the
Simply drag it.
Sir, it actually like taking the values which are entered at the last. You can see the transaction which are from account number. See that 1,85,000 is that is the last.
go to your
Then 32,000 is the
database.
last second. So it was like it is taking in like the descending order of the transactions whatever we did.
If it's not the case,
We need to go for security.
No,
Go to
it
just
is
table.
open the
created in
transaction
your
detail
database,
table.
Tejasvi.
What's that?
Transaction details.
What is the
Go to
table?
Created
transaction
under
details.
Tejasvi only.
Yeah, it is created and the table name is transaction details.
Open that one, bro. You can
Open that. Expand,
Click on the
expand it.
plus
expand
mark.
it.
Expand it.
Click on plus button on transaction.
Then constraints.
Keys.
Keys. No, keys.
Keys
Oh,
you need
foreign.
to
Yeah.
Simply drag it.
drag it and place it. No, near drop table. Okay, just place somewhere and copy it.
Can you delete there only for your
Okay.
not
Rename, bro.
Not rename, delete.
Yeah, it's deleted.
No.
Can you try now?
It is same as before only. In what order I have entered without any top class or order by class.
Now mention top and then exclude.
No, top class.
Do Control Z.
Should I give order by?
Yes. No, not top one. So execute top 10.
It is same as before.
Okay, I'll check it out. Okay.
Okay, sir.
I'll check and get back to you on this. But usually whatever I said is correct. Okay, so without order by class, it will always give the random numbers. Okay, it may give the sequence or it may not give. Okay, so that's why it is called as non-deterministic. Okay, but
the only issue here is it will sort with respect to account number only, sir.
Yes.
But when the account number are same, like multiple transactions are there.
So then the rows are shuffling.
It will sort within them. What is the order? I'm not getting with respect to that.
I'll check this. Okay, maybe in the back end. So the it's changing something in the back end. So I'll just check it out.
And if I give here and transaction number, it will sort properly.
Now it will depends on both the columns, right?
So,
it's not under comma.
It's comma, sorry. It will sort in proper way with respect to account number and transaction number.
Yes. Okay. Anyway, so I'll check it out this one once again. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So I'm just sharing my screen.
I'll just-
Okay, so could you please write down the next topic, and which is very, very, very important topic, string functions. So you should you should be, very careful with the string functions. So if you understand, then it is well and good, and it is very easy. Yeah, if you didn't, it's very difficult. Okay, so just write down the number of string functions which we have, then we'll go ahead with each and every string function explanation. So write down LTRIM, RTRIM, left, right, upper, lower, reverse, replicate, length. So do you remember we used this length function in our check construction?
Yes.
Yeah, length and substring CHARINDEX, that index, place,
Substring.
write down these functions. Done. Done.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, write down the definition. String function will always returns a single scalar value. String functions, you can say. String functions will always returns a single scalar value. So usually variable will store a single value, right? Whereas this one will return a single scalar value. It can be any data type. Okay. So basically, these string functions will use it on top of the tables only. But before explaining on top of the table, so I'll just take these variables, the single values, and then I'll show you how it will work actually. Okay. So once that is done, then I'll show you on top of the tables directly how all the string functions will be useful. Okay. Yeah. So first of all, let me take a left function. Okay. So there are different syntaxes for each and every string function. You need to practice thoroughly. Then only you can easily understand. Okay. So for the left function, guys, the syntax should be left of expression. I'll tell you what is meant by expression here. Expression, comma, value. So left of expression, comma, value. You can put select before that. Okay, to execute any string function, you have to put select that your string function. Write down this. Yeah. Now inside this left function within the parentheses, whatever I mentioned, right? These are called as arguments. Okay, these are called as arguments. So expression is an argument, value is an argument. What is meant by argument means you can call it as a parameter, you can call it as an input value. Okay. Not okay, understand? It's basically input value for this function, guys. Okay, so now when you provide expression, nothing but here it can be a column name. Let me write expression nothing but can be a column name or variable or static value. I'll give you example for all these. Okay, in the place of expression you can put column names, you can put variables, you can put a static value. Static value means whatever we are assigning a value for a variable, right? Directly we'll put the value instead of variable. Okay, and value means number, guys.
We can write, sir, no?
Sorry?
We can write, sir.
Yeah, this you can write. I'll give you an example. This is the syntax for the left function. And the example would be, let me show you, declare at the rate of name and varchar of 100. And I'm just putting the values directly here itself. Okay, let's say Radhesham. So this is the name. I had put it as a value in this variable. So this is also one of the way to declare and store the value. Correct? Correct? Yeah. So now in this name, okay, I want few letters from the left hand side. I want a few letters from the left hand side. In such a case, your left function will help us actually. So what you need to do, select left of, don't write, just see left of. So now either you can put directly Radhesham here, okay, as a static value, or already you declared a variable, right? Yeah. Then take that variable in place of expression. This is the input actually for your left function. Now how many characters you need from the left side?
5.
Let's say 5 characters. Radhe means I need 5 characters, correct?
Yes.
So you just put that 5. Now what left function will do is, in this expression means in this variable, it will take from the left hand side first 5 characters. And if you go and execute along with your declare, you need to execute, correct?
Yes, sir.
Because it is a variable. Can you see?
Okay.
It will take from the left hand side first 5 characters. Okay, and it will be giving as a no column name. If you want, you can put some as name something and go and execute it. Now you can see first 5 letters. So n number of letters you can select, no issues at all. Understand? Now if I take 7, then left of column alias, I mean at the name comma 7 means
Space and
Space.
first letter
so
it is
even
going to select.
the space also will be considered as 1 letter. So that is 6th letter basically, and it will take S also, correct?
Yes.
So totally 7 characters it will take from the left hand side always. Clear? Yeah, write down this. So this is on top of the variable, guys. So on top of the table, we'll see how we can gonna apply. Yes, these left and right functions will almost similar to your Excel formulas. Done? Yeah, now if you see, when I'm using the left function, it is returning what?
On the left side,
Left
first
side
five
characters.
characters.
Left side characters, and this is a single value, right? Single scalar value, correct?
Yes.
Yes, it can be a character, it can be integer, but it's a single value. So that's why the definition states that a string function will always return a single scalar value. Clear?
Yes.
Yeah. And you know, like, see, for an example, if I change this name, means, for an example, instead of Radhesham, so you can give me some other movie name.
FIR.
Sorry?
FIR.
FIR, huh? Instead of that, can you
First investigation report.
Sorry?
You can put it as first investigation report.
Okay.
Kashmiri files.
Yeah, Kashmiri files. For an example, if I give you something like this, what it will do? Will it give you, let's say if I need this Kashmir, okay? Will I get?
No.
Will I get using the same expression? No, right? Okay, so here definitely you need to change the value according to our requirement, correct?
Yes.
So which means that whatever query I have written, this is not a dynamic query, this is a static query. So what is meant by static query means, so for your upcoming values, this query may work or may not work. Okay, it may or may not work. So always in the string function level, right? So it's better to write the dynamic queries. Dynamic query means that once you write a query, it will applicable for any value. Whatever you put, definitely it will work for any value. Okay. And how to write a dynamic queries, I'll show you. Okay, as of now, let's write a static queries initially, then I'll show you how to write dynamic, because for that we required one more function to discuss, that is CHARINDEX. So once we discuss that, then I'll show you how to write dynamic. So as of now, you can write down the static only. Okay, so you can put the same value whatever I had given earlier. Static query. Yeah, write down this, declare it and write down this, and this output also you need to mention.
Sir, please explain this static query, sir.
See, static query means, for an example, if I put, see, for this query is working for this Radhesham, correct?
Yes.
Now, if I put, tell me your surname and your full name. I mean,
Manjunath.
Manjunath.
VC.
VC. Okay. Now, if I go and execute this one, what it will give us?
Just Manju.
Give us only Manju. Let's say, can someone tell me your surname and then your name, your first name, something?
Lakshmi Sagar.
Sorry?
Lakshmi Sagar.
Okay. Yeah, in this case, let's say, see, what is your surname?
Yeah, sir.
Yeah, what is your surname?
Yeah, sir. Lakshmi.
Lakshmi only.
Yeah.
Okay. So basically in every name, when I'm keeping any name, right, I need the surname. Okay. Consider like that. Now, for an example here, how many, my surname contains how many characters totally? 7.
It's 7. Yeah.
Yeah. Let me put 7 and definitely my query will gonna execute now. Now, can someone give me your surname and your full name?
Jangam Padmaja.
Okay, Jangam Padmaja. Okay. Now, if I go and execute, see, I'm just changing the value, but not the query, correct?
Yes.
So if I go and execute this, will this query will work to get the surname?
No.
No, sir.
It may work, but if you see, it's taking the space also, correct?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
maybe can someone give me a different surname which is having more characters?
Bagepalli Vinod.
Bagepalli Vinod. Okay, let's see. If I go and execute the same query, okay, it's not working. It's not giving my surname, right?
Yes.
Which means that this query is a static query, which means this will work, okay, only for few names, which contains the surname as 7 characters, correct?
Yes.
So it will not work for all the names.
Sir, if we give 9 characters, it will consider.
No, where here, so
Yes,
that's what. So when you're giving 9, right, you're changing this query, correct?
Yes.
So which means that it's not, I mean, dynamic actually. Keep on you're changing the query. So dynamic means when you keep something, when you write a logic, okay, without changing that logic, it has to work for all the values. Okay. Without changing your logic, it has to work for any value. Okay. See, if it is Bagepalli, it has to get that surname completely. If it is any other name, like let's say Chintaginjala, so if I need to get the complete surname, it has to get it. Let it be how many characters in that surname, but I need to get that surname completely. So this static query won't help us to get all the surnames. Understand? Because see, every surname has a different characters, correct?
Yes.
Correct. So when you simply keep left off for 7, right, it won't work for sure, even in your table, correct? See. Chintaginjala Lakshmi and Lekala. Now you see, if I write a left function, okay, so for an example, for the Chintaginjala Lakshmi, what is the left of
Jangam.
left of expression, comma, how many characters you will put for Chintaginjala to get this surname for this first name?
12.
12
characters.
Okay. Now if I put 12 with
13.
this, sorry, 13
characters.
Okay, fine. 13 characters. Now will this expression or will this left function or will this logic will work for all the rows here?
No, sir.
May or may not,
Definitely
sir.
no, correct?
Will not.
So when it comes to here, the number of values which you need to select here is
7.
how much?
7.
7. And when it comes to this one below
11.
11. So it may work or it may not work, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah.
So it will be
6.
Jangam, it will be 6. So if you see for every row it is changing. So we cannot write in this way, right? See, this is a table 1, and I have a name column and I have the name like this. So when someone is asking to retrieve all their surnames. So if there are 100 names, you cannot write 100 select statements, right? Correct?
Yes.
So it should be a single select statement, which is dynamic. Okay, na? So, and it has to work for all the rows. So static means this query will work only for this value. It is fixed, correct? And this query will work only for to get the surname for the second row. And this expression or this logic is fixed to this. So that is nothing but a static query, which will work only for few rows. Okay, dynamic query will work for the entire rows. Okay, without changing anything. And we'll show you how to write that dynamic query. Yeah. So now for an example, when you go for a write function here, so the syntax will almost remain same. So select write of expression comma value, and when I take the same example, so what it will do is when I kept something like write of 5, so what it will do, it will calculate the number of characters from right side, but while displaying it will display in the sequence order only. It will not display DONIV, it will display VANOD only. Okay. You see, now the calculation will happen from, or the selection will happen from right to left. Okay, but while displaying will be left to right only.
Sir, here we consider D to B or V to D, sir. Right better.
Which one?
Right.
So this right function will select the values. Okay, so from right to left only. Okay, but displaying will be left to right only.
Okay,
understand? It won't reverse the order.
So if you give here only 4 means, then it is going to update as INOD.
Yes,
correct?
it will select from DONI, while displaying it will display as INOD only.
Okay.
Here, so
Yes.
right function will always select the values from the right hand side. Okay, and left function will always select the values from left hand side, and the number based upon the specific number of values. Okay. Yeah. So these are the static queries. Just write down the examples, and maybe I'll directly go and explain the CHARINDEX function to write the dynamic queries. So later on we'll discuss remaining things. Okay. Just write down this.
So while giving the values, if it exceeds the characters, then it will throw an error.
No, it won't throw any error. So if I give 100, let's say, what it will do, it will select whatever number of records in that particular variable, and it will show you that. That's it.
Okay.
Won't throw any error. Okay. So if the values exceeds over here, more than 100, then it may throw an error. Okay.
In left.
Yes, because you have put this size now.
Yes, sir.
Okay, but here you can exceed, no issues.
Okay.
Yeah. Write down left and right. There is no specific definition for this. Okay, you can directly write it.
Select declare at name.
Sir, I have a doubt here.
Yes, please.
You told that instead of this variable, we can put any static value also. How does that work? Right?
Yeah, it's very simple. In place of variable, directly you can put this value, not static query. It is static value means just copy this, mention here. That's it. Okay. Yeah. And column name I'll show you.
It's done.
So quickly we'll go with the next string function, that is char index, because to write any dynamic queries in the string functions, this is very, very, very important actually. Okay, char index. And just concentrate on this char index case, because it is very, very help us to write dynamic queries. Yeah. So first of all, I'll write the syntax for this. Select char index of search expression, comma, just expression, or we can put search value or anything. Okay, searching letter, anything is fine, and comma, searching position. Yeah, and here if you see, the third argument is there. See, first argument will be search expression. Okay, or instead of search expression, what else we can keep? Search. I can put searching character. Mention this one, it will make sense actually. Searching character and expression, then searching position. These are the three arguments which is required for char index case. And also searching position is an optional parameter. What is meant by optional?
It is mandatory.
It's
It's
not
not mandatory.
mandatory.
Okay, whenever it is required, we can use this second argument. I mean, sorry, third argument. So if it is not mandatory, we can ignore it. Okay. Yeah. Write down. Done. Okay, write down the definition for char index, please. Char index will return a particular character position. A particular character position. Char index will return a particular character position. Okay. See, this name itself, it is stating that. See, what is meant by char? A character, correct? Hello.
Yes.
Yes. And index means what exactly? Index means
its position.
Its position are numbers,
Position.
correct?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. So it means that a particular character position, it will basically give us actually this char index. Okay. So let me give an example for this. I'll just declare a keyword at the rate of declared a name, or we can just say string also, and varchar of 100. Now I'll set up a value in this, set at the rate of string, Don't write, please just see the screen. Now I'll put Malayalam. Okay. Now in this, if I need, a particular character means I just need first A position. Okay. See, there are more number of A's are there in this, correct?
Correct.
But I specifically required, okay. So first A position. In that case, what is the expression we can write over here is CHARINDEX of. So if you see, what is the searching, what is the first argument they're saying? Whichever character you want to search, mention that character. What character we need to search here?
A.
So put that in a single quote. Okay. So now the second option is, second argument is expression. Means in which input value we need to search that, correct?
Malayalam.
So what? Yeah, it's Malayalam, but Malayalam has been stored in a variable. Can I use the variable here?
Yes.
Okay. So now this searching position is not required as of now. If you want to find the first A, and the alias column also I'll keep it as first A position. First A position, alias column name I'll mention so that we can easily understand, right? So what it will do now? So when you give a CHARINDEX of A at the rate of C, it will try to search from, okay, it will search from first character onwards, guys. Whether A is present over here or not, it will search. Okay. In the first position, do you have A?
No, sir.
No. In the second position?
Yes, sir.
We do have, correct? That to first A position it will give us. When you go and execute this, you see. Am I getting the first A position?
2.
It's giving 2, correct?
Yes.
So if we change this name, okay, still it will give us the first A position wherever it is. Okay. So can you give me some name? Any name? Let's say, let me take Hyderabad.
Okay.
So in this, what is the A position? First A position?
6. Last
7.
1,
2, 3, 4,
8.
6. If I go and execute, see. So what it will do when I'm giving A comma at the rate of string, it will keep on search from the first character, correct?
Yes, sir.
It will start the search from first character onwards. It will start because we don't know where exactly that A will be, correct? Search from A first character onwards. Understand everyone?
Yes.
Okay. Now let's say I want to find out the second A. Okay. Here, what is the second A position?
Last but 1. That is 6,
8.
7, 8,
It is 8, correct?
8.
Yeah. So this is what we need to learn. Okay. So select CHARINDEX of open and you put A and at the rate of string. So now you see when you close the bracket, what it will give us? It will give us first A only, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Correct. But if you need second A, okay, what you need to do is, so you should not search from H. You should not search from H. You should search from after first A. Understand?
Yes.
To find out the second A, what you need to do is, okay, first you need to find out the first A, and after that you need to start the search. Basically, for the first A, what we are doing, the searching will start from H, correct?
Yes.
What is the position of H?
1.
It will go to 1 and it didn't find, and second, no, not find, third not find, fourth not find, fifth not find, and at the sixth position it is able to find the first A, correct?
Yes.
So it will give us the first A position, right?
Yes.
Now when I need the second A, I should not search again from the H. Okay. The search position should change. Okay. And it should start from after first A. Understand?
Yes.
After first A means the search should start from where?
7. B.
Yeah, from B onwards, correct?
Yes.
If the search will start from B onwards, it will keep on search. And what position it is finding the next A?
2.
That is It is at 8, correct?
8, okay.
Yes, it will give us that position, guys. Okay. Yeah. Now this searching position, third argument is there now. That will come into the picture. Okay. Are you getting it?
Yeah.
This third argument will come into the picture when we are finding second, third years, fourth years, fifth years, sixth years, like that. Okay. Yeah. Now let me show you how to write this expression. So now what I said, in the place of searching position, what exactly should come? The search should start from after first year, correct? How do you find out the first year? Tell me.
We have given alias key, right?
No, you cannot use this. It's not possible. What is the expression to find out the first year position?
Expression, that is.
Sorry?
A comma and the expression.
Can I use this expression to get the first year position?
Yes, sir.
Correct?
Yeah.
So you can keep the same here in the third argument. Okay. But when you're giving what is the output of this? 6, right? But from where we need to start the searching? Will it be from the 6 or 7?
7.
It will be 7, right? But because when you search from 6, it will give us again 6 only.
Yes, sir.
Correct? So definitely it should not from the A, but it is after first year, correct?
Correct.
So, but we cannot find it, whether it is after first year, what exactly it is there, we don't know. So that's why find it out first year and put +1. It's fine, right?
Yes, sir.
So what the output of this CHARINDEX will be 6, correct? 6 + 1 becomes 7. So now in the string level, when it is starting A, searching, when it is trying to search the A, right? The search will start from where?
7.
7 onwards. So 7 means B, right?
Yes.
It will keep on search from the B and it will find out wherever the next A will be there. So where exactly it will be there? It is exactly at 8th position. It will give us the 8th. And in the above case, do you have a searching position? No. So the search will start from? The search will start from first character onwards, correct? Yes, that's how it will be, guys. So now let me write it. So now when this query is executing, the execution will happen from right to left. Understand? From right to left, it will execute. Why? Because this CHARINDEX required this information, right? Without searching position, it cannot execute, no?
Yes.
So that's why it will execute from right to left, guys. Do remember this. Now, within this execution, I mean, in this syntax, right? How many CHARINDEX I have used?
Two
CHARINDEX. Okay, let me execute this. And I'll just comment out the first year position. Yeah, I'm using 2 CHARINDEXes. Can you please see the output? How many values it is returning? 1. Still it is single value, correct? Meaning when you write any, when you use any string function, it can be a single string function, or within a string function, we can use any other string functions also. Still, we will get only single value, guys. Okay, now? When you use a single string function or a multiple string functions, still the output will be only single scalar value. Okay. Yeah. So now this will give us what? Second year position, correct? Yes. Don't worry. Okay. So here the search will start from where?
Left. Sorry, right.
After first year.
After first year. Yeah, just remember like this. Okay. After first year position, correct? Don't say like B or 6 or 7. Yeah. Now, in the similar way, I need third year, let's say third year position. In this, there is no 3, right? So let me take Malayalam again. Okay. And also, let's see, I just changed the value, guys. Here, I just changed the string, but I'm not going to change any of these values. Let's see whether it will give us the proper second position. Yes, second A position or not.
Declare.
It's giving no second A position as 4.
Yes, sir.
Dynamic string.
Yes, it's a dynamic query, correct? You change anything, but still without changing my query, it's giving the proper values, correct?
Yes, sir.
This is a static dynamic query, guys. Okay, so if I directly go and mention, will it work?
Yes.
No, sir.
If I directly go and put a 7 here, this will work for Hyderabad.
Yes,
But
sir.
will it work for Malayalam?
No, sir.
No.
Definitely no, right?
Yes, sir.
So that's what. This is a static query, which means this will applicable only for few cases, not all. But when I go for a dynamic, you give anything here. Okay, even if you give, let's say, give me any keywords which starts with A and it should have one more A.
Karnataka.
Anantapuram.
Karnataka.
No, it should start with two.
Anantapuram.
Let me put AHA. Okay.
Yes.
So there are 2 A's,
Yeah.
3 A's. Okay, and continuously there are 2 A's, right? So let's see if I go and execute both the queries, first A and second A, whether it will be giving a proper output or not. It's giving no. So what it will do here, it will start from first onwards in the first case, in the first A position, and in the first position itself we do have a correct?
Yes.
And it will give us the same. Okay, and in case of second one, what will happen? First it will find out first A.
Yeah.
First A position is what?
1.
1 plus 1 becomes
2.
Okay, so now your search will start from
2
onwards, and in the second position itself we have A, right?
Yeah.
Obviously it will give us the second position, second A position. Are you getting it, everyone?
Yes.
Any questions? By using CHARINDEX instead of numbers, can we get some names by using dynamic query? By using in CHARINDEX instead of numbers. Instead of numbers means what? These numbers, huh?
No, sir. He's asking about in the result window you're getting 1 and 2, right?
Yeah.
Instead of that, as per the left string function.
No. See, the CHARINDEX output will always returns an integer.
Yeah.
Okay. CHARINDEX will always return an integer. Okay. So if you want third A, let's write down this. So select CHARINDEX of single first A, comma, @string, comma, and we'll keep the same thing as it is. Okay. Now what will happen? No, see, for this CHARINDEX there is a searching position to find out the second A position, correct? Now to find out the third A position, inside we have a CHARINDEX, right? This CHARINDEX. For that we'll apply a string, searching position. That's it. Okay. So simple, comma, you copy this CHARINDEX of A, and I'll explain to you. It's very easy actually. CHARINDEX of A and plus 1 and close bracket. Let's see how it will work. Okay, so it will always execute from where? From right to left, correct?
Yes,
right to left.
So first this will gonna execute. This will give us what? No. When you execute select CHARINDEX of A @string, what it will give us? First A. What is the first A position here?
1.
1 plus 1 becomes
2.
Okay. So now for this CHARINDEX, okay, the search will start from where?
After that is 3, it will start from 3.
Yeah, 1 second. So it will start from where?
Second year.
Second year onwards. Okay. So it will. So now again, here one more plus one should come, correct?
Yes.
Why? Because so the second A position is 2, 2 plus 1 becomes 3, correct?
Yeah.
So this entire thing will become 3. So which means for this char index, the search will start from where? The third character onwards, correct?
Yes.
So which means the third A position would be, the third A position would be 4, correct? So the expression will come like this. So char index of A at the rate of string plus 1. Again here one more plus will come. Okay. See, for first char index 1 plus 1 will come, and for this char index 1 more plus 1 will come, because we need to keep on increase it. Getting it? See, don't think this will give us third A position. No. So we will find out first A position and we'll add 1. Okay. And again, next position we'll find out the second A position, but the search should start from third, right?
Yes.
So for that we'll add 1 plus 1 again.
Yes.
Okay, so that it will give us the third A position. And here one clue, how to write these char indexes means. See, what is the char index? I mean, what is the position we need to find here? Third A position. So for this, simply if you want to remember, totally 3 char indexes will come. I mean, I can say like n char indexes and n minus 1 plus 1s will come. Which means if I want to find out 100th A, how many char indexes will come?
100 char indexes.
100 char indexes will come. Then
99 ones.
Sorry, 99 plus 1s will come. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And let me explain to you this one in a paint level or notepad or something, so that I can draw and I can show you. Because I know still people are not that much clear. Okay. So let me explain to you. This is a third A position, right? How this query will gonna work, if you understand, then it is very easy to write. Okay. Yeah. First, which one will execute, guys, here?
Yes.
This one, correct? From here to here it will execute. This will give us what?
First A position.
First A position.
Okay.
Yes. So it will give us first A position. What is the first A position?
1.
So it's 1, correct?
Yes.
Now let me put a different color here. Now this 1 and plus 1 is there, correct?
Yes.
Till here. So now what is the values here? 1 plus 1, correct?
Yes, sir.
So this 1 plus 1 becomes 2. Okay, let me take a different value. It's not visible properly. Okay, so the first A position is 1 and plus 1 it includes, so it will give us 2, correct? So these 2 will act like what?
Second A position.
Yes, these 2 will be act like searching position for this char index, correct?
Yes.
Are you getting it?
Yes.
2 will be act like a searching position for this char index. Okay, now let me just take it. From here to here, correct? So it will be like char index of A comma at the rate of string comma 2, correct?
Yes.
So 2 is your
Second A.
2 is your searching position, right?
Yes.
Correct. For this char index, 2 is the searching position, right? So now what is the second A position here?
2 only.
2 only, correct? Yeah. So now this will become like 2 because in AHA second year position is 2 only, right?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Now 2. Now what will happen again? Yeah. So this 2 and there is one more plus 1 is there, correct?
Yes, equal to 3.
Yes, this will become
Plus 1.
is 2 plus 1 becomes 3, correct?
Yes, sir.
Now your 3 will become what?
Searching position of
Searching position for this CHARINDEX.
CHARINDEX. Yes, sir.
So now this A will start searching from where? Naha. H onwards, correct?
Yes, sir.
So which will give us third A position. Anna?
Yes.
1 second, let me write it. Here this is second A
Searching
position. No, just position. And this 2 1 plus 3 will be searching position. Okay. So all the searching positions I'll mention in the green color. And here 3 also searching position only, correct? Yeah. And these 3 will become searching position for CHARINDEX, and this will give us third A position. Okay. And if I need fourth A, what will come?
Plus 1.
Very simple. There is a inside CHARINDEX is there, na?
Yes.
So for this, one more CHARINDEX will come, and one more plus 1 will come.
Yes.
Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So likewise, it will keep on increase this. Any doubts, anyone? See, if anyone didn't understand, please, ask in the live class itself. Okay.
Sir,
yes, please.
That plus 1 you have added at last, right?
Yes.
Can't you use it after the second index?
Which one? This
That
plus 1,
plus
na?
1. Yeah, sir.
If you so you want me to use here, huh?
After that second string is there, no?
No, here. Okay, here itself.
Second
let me write it over in the SQL. Okay, you want to put this plus 1 inside this, correct?
No, not there, sir. Second string. Second position.
Where exactly it will be? Here, huh?
Yeah, there.
Yes.
No, it should not be like that. Okay, see, this is a character, right?
Yes.
How can you add a plus 1 there?
No, sir. That is puts a comma at string. And this is closed, then plus 1.
Oh, here itself close plus 1, huh?
Plus 1. It won't work, sir?
No, it won't work actually.
Okay.
That is not a proper syntax at all.
Okay, sir.
Next. Anyone please didn't understand, just mention so that I can explain to you again. Okay, can you please say yes or no?
Understood, sir.
Can you explain about the
just put
first
it in the
string?
chat window, please. Whomsoever understand, please say yes. And whomsoever not understand, just say no. So that based upon that, I'll explain. Okay, Prakash, no. Then Lavan, no. Krishnam, Raju, no. Okay, Kavita, no. Roshan, no. Javed, repeat, Natraj, no. Salman, no. Manjunath, no. Mahesh, no. Okay. Okay. Can someone who said no, can you just, mention your name and tell me what exactly you didn't understand?
Yeah, this is Prakash here.
Yeah.
So I have a query like starting first string, like first position here, which is the one it is going to consider here.
Correct. Let me take Malayalam. It will be easy actually. Yeah, tell me.
Okay, here Malayalam, no. Let us come to the syntax, like select syntax. Okay, select CHARINDEX A string as first position, right?
Correct.
That is for first thing. Yeah, when it comes to the next syntax, select CHARINDEX A string CHARINDEX. Again, we are going to enter the first value, right? Here +1. I'm getting confused here. So
okay, see, this +1 is nothing but very simple actually. If you're not keeping +1, let's see what will happen. See, the syntax will execute from right to left, correct?
Correct.
See, basically, if you want to find out second A position, generally, in a static level, what exactly we need to keep it here? Tell me.
First A position reference we are going to take.
Yeah, so basically this third argument is what?
No, I didn't understand your question.
There are 3 arguments required, correct?
Correct.
Touching character, expression, and then
Touching
position. Correct.
Correct.
So if I want second A position, so the search should start from after second A. Avuna?
Correct.
So basically, what is the first A position?
2.
So now definitely I should start my search from after first A. Avuna?
Correct.
So I should put it as a 3. Correct.
Yeah.
The problem is when you mention 3 here, it may affect to some other values. Correct. If I put a different value here, it may or may not work, right?
Yeah.
Because this is a hard-coded value. So instead of this, what I'm trying to do over here is, okay, so whatever I applied, like the search should start from after first A, correct?
Correct.
So after first A means we don't know what is the value after first A, correct? See, now it is Malayalam. Maybe some other case it will be different, correct?
Yes.
So we don't know what exactly it will be, right?
Correct.
So, but we know first year position, no? We can easily find it out, right?
Yes.
We can easily find out the first year position, right? What is the expression for that?
We are going to select CHARINDEX A string.
Can you give me a second, please? Can you give me a second?
Yeah, sure.
Sir, are you explaining? Your voice is not audible.
No, he just went somewhere.
Oh, okay, okay.
I think I understood now. CHARINDEX A. What is SUBSTRING? Yeah, string that the first function is called.
Whoever understood, I have a question here. Like, in case if you want something like fourth or fifth position, means we need to keep on add one by one, or like that. We cannot. We need to add one by one.
See, Prakash, if you won't give that +1, no, it will keep on displaying the same value. You won't like proceed to next factor.
Pardon? Come again?
If we don't give +1, no, it keep on displaying the same A. So if you give +1, no, after A, whichever the position, it will take the position. For that purpose, we use the +1.
I got it. So like, in case if you want to go for 5th A or 6th A, means we need to keep on extending this, repeating this.
Yeah.
Index that same.
Yeah. So what I'm saying is like instead of putting 3 here, right? Because after first A we don't know. It can be L, it can be B, it can be A. We don't know. Correct.
Correct. Correct.
So that's what we have an identification to find out first A, right?
Correct. Correct.
We know how to find out first A. So the to find out it dynamically, this is the syntax we used. Correct.
Correct. Correct.
And keep the same over here in place of searching position. Correct.
Pardon?
But what is the first A position here?
2.
2. Correct.
Yeah.
So if I'll keep 2 here, okay. So the search position will start from this onwards. Correct.
Correct.
Again, it will give you the same A position only, right? First A position only, but I need the second A, right?
Correct. Correct.
See, when it is starting the searching position at second position, again there is a A. Right, so it will give us the same position only. There is no difference. So that's why what we are trying to do, the search should not start from first A, it should start from after first A.
Okay.
That's the reason I'm just adding +1 here. That's it.
Okay.
Okay, the search should start from after first A. That's the reason I added +1. So now it becomes what? 2 + 1, correct?
Yeah.
2 + 1 become 3.
Okay.
Sir, instead of that, we can type directly 4, right?
What?
Instead
See,
of
if
second
you put
A,
directly 4, okay, for
So that will
Malayalam
become
it will
static.
work. But what if I'll keep some other value? Okay, let's say, can you tell me any other name which has multiple A's?
Yes, Mantra.
Mantralaya. Okay. In this case, will it work?
No.
no, sir.
It won't work, right?
Yes, yes.
But if I'll keep this one for Mantralaya, will it work or not? We'll see.
It will work.
So it will work, right? So what will happen? First, this will execute. What is the position of first A?
2.
2 + 1 becomes
3.
3. So which means for this CHARINDEX, the search will start from N onwards, correct?
Yes. Correct.
It will keep on search. Wherever it finds the next A, it will give us that second A position, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, that's how it will be. Yeah. Still any questions?
No. Yes, I'm clear.
So same case in third A position, no? First, this is the first A position syntax.
Yeah.
And this is the second A position syntax. And this entire thing will be third A syntax. Third A position syntax. That's how it will work actually. Okay, na?
Yes.
Yeah. Any other questions? There are so many people who said no, Salman and Manju and Lavan, Krishnam, Raju, Mahesh, Lakshmi, Sagar, Javed, Kavita, Roshan. Yeah. Those who are not getting it, please just unmute and speak. Because it is the next, for the next 1 or 2 classes will entirely depends on this CHARINDEX only. If you didn't understand, we cannot do anything.
Sir, what is this CHARINDEX and n-1 plus 1 you have written?
Which one? This one, na? This is, see, if you understand this logic, right? To make it very simple, let's say if I want to find out 10th A position, right? So the simple thing is, so once you write this query, you just, if you want to verify whether it is correct or not, right? Just see whether 10 CHARINDEXes are there or not, and 10 minus 1, 10 minus 1 plus 1s are there or not. See, this is the third A position, right? There should be definitely 3 CHARINDEXes, okay, and 2 plus 1 should be there. Okay. So once you written logically, just to verify whether the query is correct, you go and apply this formula. That's why I have written that.
Here, 3 minus 1 plus 1.
Yes. Which means 2 plus 1s will come. Okay. These open and close brackets are very, very, very important in, this string functions. If you miss one, gone.
Sir, this CHARINDEX view can only apply for any particular variable or multiple variables.
You can, no, you can put any value in this variable. You can apply it, no issues.
Not like that, sir. For example, we have one column, names column. In that, like for multiple names, we can't use the single, right?
We can use the same query for the multiple rows, no issues.
Multiple
I'll go
rows.
and apply for the table so that you'll understand.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. So because if I go and directly apply in the table, people won't understand. So that's why I'm explaining with a variable, with a single value.
Yes. Sir.
Okay. Yeah. Any other questions? Anyone?
So how it is applicable for like application? I just wonder.
Yeah, I'll give you an example. Once everyone is familiar with this, so I can give you an example.
I have a doubt.
Yes.
Instead of writing whole syntax, can we add after select CHARINDEX A at the string plus CHARINDEX of A comma at the string?
Where exactly? Third
in first line. Yeah, there only. After that, plus. No, after bracket.
Okay, plus. Okay, you mean to
plus
say CHARINDEX of A plus this and this, huh?
Yes, sir.
No, you should not like that. Write like that. Because see, this will give us first CHARINDEX A position, first A position. This will also give us first A position only, correct?
No, sir. Actually, I tried. It is given second A position.
Can you apply? You have applied for Malayalam, right?
Malayalam, yes, sir.
Can you apply same example, same logic for the Mantralaya and tell me?
Sir, it's added the positions value, sir, because we have.
That is wrong, actually. That's what I mean to say. See, you see, your logic I'm applying for Mantralaya, it's giving 4. Is it correct?
No.
What is the fourth, second A position here? What is the second A position here? 6, right? But it is giving 4, no? It's wrong, right?
Yeah.
Okay, this formula, it's not a dynamic one. It's wrong. Okay. So whatever I said is the exact formula which you need to apply. If you need to find any position of A.
Okay.
Yeah. Any other questions? Anyone? In AHA condition for second, whether it will start the searching from first A or second A. Javed, for the second A position, you mean to say in AHA?
Yes, sir. For second day, it will start from first day or
No,
second day, sir.
when you're finding the second day position, this is the syntax, correct?
Yes, sir. If that's the case, then it will be start from second day, sir.
Exactly. The searching will
So
start with that
answer will
second
be
day.
4.
Yes.
Answer will be 4.
No, it's not 4. So in
Means
case of
it will
see,
it will leave that second position, right?
No, it won't leave you. So let me show you. Let me execute this. So the point is here, it will start the searching position from second day, correct?
Yes, sir.
In the second position itself, we have a second day, right?
So answer will be origin only.
The answer will be what?
Origin value only. Means
what
A
is the
only.
value?
Second position.
Second position, exactly. That's what I'm saying. So when it is searching the second day at second position, right? When it is starting the searching, here itself we have a A, right? In the second position itself. So it will take that only. Understand? So if here it is not there, then it will keep on search. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Next. What is this n-1 now? See, n-1, it's basically a clue which I'm giving for you. Okay? When I'm asking you to write to find out, 100th A position, okay, you can write the expression. Make sure it should satisfy the below condition, which means 100 A position means definitely 100 char indexes should be there in your syntax, and also to find this number of ones means this number of ones should be 100 minus 1. Totally 99 plus 1 should be there. That's what this n-1 means. Clear?
Sir, if that's the case,
yeah.
If that's the case, then this dynamic query will fail, sir.
Why?
Means dynamic query is nothing but it will be like +1, sir. But in this case, it is like +0.
Where you are saying?
Second day position. Second day
position what?
Is dynamic query is +1, sir.
Why it's +1?
It's like first day position +1.
First day position +1. I have already added, na?
Sir. But in this case, it is showing like means in second position only it has A only, sir. So it's automatically taking A only, sir. So here in this case, it will be like +0.
+0 na? No, not required. Why do we require that? See, you just understand. What is the position of first A?
1.
1, correct? 1 plus 1 becomes
2.
2. Now for this char index, it will try to start A. It will try to search A from second position onwards. Okay, correct?
Yes.
Yes.
It will try to search A from the second position onwards. And at the second position itself, we have a A, right? When it is starting the searching, there itself we have a A. So it will give us the same position. You no need to put +0 out here. Here?
Okay.
Yeah. Next. Next. Yes, tell me.
Hello.
Yes, tell me.
Hello.
Yes, tell me.
As you said, you can't give a char index of A at the string plus at the char index.
Yes.
Then it should show the error, no, sir, but it's not showing any errors. Why?
Char index plus char index, huh?
No.
No, it won't throw any error. Why? Because before plus and after
but it's
plus,
showing
we have
the
integer,
result,
right?
Yeah,
see,
we have
before
integer.
plus and after plus, what it is returning? Integer. Left side 2 and right side 2, correct?
Okay.
2 plus 2 becomes 4 only, right?
Yes, sir.
Won't throw any error. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Vinod, in the chat box, I just come across one query was raised by. If you want directly something like 5th or 6th A means, for example, if we have here in AHA only, we'll take an example. If you want to go for directly 4th A, sorry, 3rd A, how we can go proceed on this?
No, can you come again?
See, in AHA, we have 3 A's, right?
Correct.
So generally, we'll sort by first A. Then afterwards, we are going to search for the second A. And
Correct.
afterwards, it will go to search for the third A.
Third year, yes.
The scenario we can, if we come across like we want to search the third year directly, what is the?
There is no other way. Only this is the way to find.
This is the way, right?
Yes. Only one way. Next. So if you want fourth year, what you need to do in this?
CHARINDEX.
One second. Let me ask, please. Kavita, you didn't understand. You said earlier. Can you please tell me now? If I want fourth year position, where exactly I need to change? Kavita, are you there? Kavita. I can't hear you.
Two plus one.
Kavita, I'm asking Kavita. Natraj. Natraj.
Yes.
You also said
Sir.
no, right? Have you understand the concept?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now,
Yes,
if
sir.
I want fourth A position, tell
Yes,
me
sir, I understand.
in this syntax where exactly I need to change.
At the last.
Where? At the last means.
After 3 CHARINDEX.
You just tell me where exactly, so that I'll just go and apply.
Near the cursor, sir. You place the cursor at there, sir.
Okay. And tell me.
Comma. CHARINDEX. Open the bracket. A. At the string. The string of plus.
Okay. Close bracket, then
+1.
+1. That's it. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So now this will become as a first year, right?
Yes, sir.
Then second year, third year, fourth year. Yes, Kavita, tell me.
Sir, I'm audible, sir. That's same.
Okay, now we are able to audible. You can tell me for fifth year position what exactly needs to be done.
Okay, sir. CHARINDEX
Fifth year position.
A comma.
Where exactly I need to write? Tell me.
After 1, 2, 3, 4. Fifth, sir. Fifth string. This one.
1, 2, 3, 4 CHARINDEXes are there.
Yes, sir.
Where you want me to write the next CHARINDEX?
This after CHARINDEX of A comma string comma.
This one.
This one. This one. Sir.
Okay. CHARINDEX of
A comma @string.
Okay.
In last +1.
You need to close the bracket and +1.
Yes, sir.
Okay, because once it is applying, it is giving first year position, then it will add 1 so that it will start from the after first year.
Yes.
Okay, and then keep on go.
Yes, sir.
Getting it, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Lavan, have you understand?
Yes, sir.
Understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if you need 100 thread, then we can add directly +99. So which
Yes.
means, yeah, 100 CHARINDEXes will come. Okay, 99 +1s will come. Okay.
Can we add directly 99?
No, you should not write directly 99. It will be
That's why
plus
I'm asking.
99 +1s it will come.
Okay.
I'm saying, okay.
Sir, we had to write string 99 times, sir.
No.
We need to type 99 times this syntax for each syntax.
Then plus
This
99
plus
will
ones,
come.
right? 99 +1 should come. That's what I mean to say. You want me to show? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. ఐదు మూడు 5 5 2 10 5 3 15.
Bracket.
ఎన్నయ్యాయి? 5 10 15 20 25 30
55.
55.
Yes, sir.
65 75 85 95 100. Okay, so totally 100 unnaya here. Do you have 100 CHARINDEXes here?
Yes.
Okay. ఒక్కొక్క దాంట్లో 5 ఉన్నాయి. Totally how many? We have 20 unnaya CHARINDEXes here.
5, 6.
Yes.
Now in the similar way, you have to put
91 ones.
91 plus 1.
99 plus 1.
ఏం బాగా నిద్ర వస్తున్నట్టుంది. 3 3 2 6 7 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 20 30 60 70 80 90
100.
99 plus ones.
Yes.
Why somewhere it is throwing an error.
There are only 80 CHARINDEXes.
80, yeah? Okay, that's why it is throwing an error. 20 more should come. Huh? This is 10. Will it be fine now?
Clear, sir. Yeah.
Yes, and we need a string which is having some characters, right? 100 years undal kada. Yes.
Yes.
Let's see what is the 103 position here. I'm very fast in typing now. Yeah. Fine. Let's see. Okay. If I go and execute this, it will give us exactly that 103. It is at 81st position.
Okay.
Okay.
Got it.
Yes, that's how it will be. Clear?
How it's possible, sir?
Sorry?
How it's possible 100th A in the 81st position?
81th position.
We need to check what character by character.
We need to sit and count.
1 second. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 19 20. Okay. ఐదు 10. It should be more than 81, right? 100th position of
More
A.
than 100.
Yeah.
Sir, I think you need to change data type varchar 100 to something
Sorry. Correct. Because it is more than 100 characters, correct?
Yes.
That's it. Yeah, it is 150th, 152. So because of 100, it is truncating the characters. Okay. So wherever it is finding the last year, it is giving that position for us. Okay. Now, if you want, you can calculate it. No issues. Just a calculation. No?
Exactly.
Want, you can sit and calculate it. No issues for me.
Question raised from Vinod, right? He need to check.
No, that is a logical question, right?
Yeah, correct.
If you need 100, then it must be more than 100.
More than 100.
Yeah. So when you're writing this logic, I mean, we won't write, 100th position, but just to give an idea how many CHARINDEXes plus ones will come, I'm just giving an example. But you need to learn up to 10th A position.
Okay.
Understand, everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
See, I will not move further. Okay.
Is there any maximum limit for this?
No, there is no maximum limit. You can find out a number of, okay. But what you need to learn is learn till 10th year, okay. And don't blindly use this formula, n CHARINDEX is n-1 plus 1s, right? Don't use that formula while writing the syntax, because you won't understand the logic, how it is going to execute it if you use that, okay. If you are very much clear with this logic, how to write it, then you can use that n-1, that n formula, okay. Clear? Yeah, let me know if anyone is not understanding.
Vinod sir,
Yes, tell me.
please try it for Bangalore once.
Bangalore, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
For the 4th position.
Bangalore 4th position, huh? See, there is no A, right?
No A means it should show 0, right?
Yes.
But it's showing 2.
1 second. Showing 2. Okay, let's check what exactly is happening. So first of all, it will find first A.
Yeah.
Correct. And the search will start from after first A, third character.
Yeah, third character.
Yeah. And then after?
5th one.
Plus 1 means from G onwards it will start, correct?
Yes.
Yeah.
And the position of next A will be?
5th position.
5th position, correct?
Yeah.
Yes. Now 5 plus 1 becomes?
6.
5 plus 1 becomes 6. Okay, 6 will be your searching position, and it will keep on search from here, correct?
Yeah.
So there, as there is no A, it should not give any results. It should be 0 position actually. So why it's giving 2?
It's given first A position.
Okay, let me check for a third and second these things also.
For third one, it's showing like 0, but for 4th one, it's showing 2.
Second position also it is showing 2 only.
The 4th also
second
2.
position. Okay, because of it is
No,
hard coded.
CHARINDEX, sir.
I haven't
Put
mentioned here.
2 in second thing.
CHARINDEX plus 1.
Let's see what is exactly. Copy and paste. The time is 9:20. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Shh. Sorry.
Plus 1.
Oh, yes.
Okay, this is 5. This is 5. Okay, fine. When it comes to third position, it is 0. There is no problem with that. Oh, I got it. I got
So
it.
again, it is repeating.
Yes, yes, exactly. So when it is going to third position, right, it is 0, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So now 0 plus 1 becomes 1 only.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So now for your char index, the search will start from first character
Plus,
onward.
yes,
So
yes,
that's why it is
yes,
taking this here. Okay.
Yes.
So that's why what you need to do whenever you are writing expression, make sure those many A's and those many B's should be there in your given string.
Sir, this will apply for only one or two, sir. But for the column, like we need to filter it out. Means,
sorry.
Sir, for one name, okay, it's possible, sir. Like we know how many A's will be there or how many characters will be there. But for if you are applying for the column purpose, that time we don't know exactly how many names will have how many positions, right?
I'll give you a small example. Where exactly this char indexes will come, so that you'll get an idea. So if I go and take this product table information, no, not this.
Sir.
One second. Let me explain. Okay. See, can you please see here? They're mixing, product number and as well as AR means shortcut name and the product number here. And when you go down here, they're also mixing up with the size. Correct. Yes. So they're not giving, let's say this size column they define later, but initially when they're giving the Excel data, right, they're giving a shortcut name. And this is somewhat like black color or red color, whatever it is, and then they're giving this 44, and in between they're giving hyphens for us, correct? So yes, what they're telling is before first hyphen, okay, before first hyphen, whatever we have, that is shortcut name, okay, and after first after second year, whatever we have, that is size. So basically 3 columns data they're mixing up in one column and they're giving, correct? So in this case, what they're saying, after this hyphen, second hyphen, whatever they have mentioned is size, right?
Yeah.
So in this case, we'll write a char indexes to find out the second hyphen, wherever it can be. Your second char index will give us the hyphen, right? Hyphen position, second hyphen position, correct? So let it be here. Second hyphen position is 10, and in the in next row it can be 11. But still my char index will give us the position or not? It will give us, no? In column level, the hyphens or number of years can be at any position in any row. Still the char indexes will return us. Anyway, tomorrow I'll explain you on top of the table, you'll get a more idea. Yeah, there is a question from girls. Yes, tell me.
Sir, for Bangalore, first position, second position got filled. How third, fourth, and fifth position again placed, sir?
Yeah, because third position, see, there is no third A, correct?
Yeah, yes, sir, yes, sir.
So when there is no third A, so what will happen? It will give us 0, correct?
Yes.
This entire char index will give us 0. So which means, so this will become 0. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So 0 plus 1 becomes 1, right?
Yes, sir.
So for this char index, the search will start from again B.
Okay.
Okay, so it will find out the next A position is 2, right? So that's
yes,
why
sir,
the fourth A position it is showing as 2.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
But this is wrong. Okay.
Yeah.
So that's why. So whenever you're finding fourth A position, make sure number of 4 A's should be there in your given string.
Okay, sir.
Have you written everyone this?
No, sir. No, sir.
No,
sir.
Okay, you can write down and you can leave from the meeting. And tomorrow I'll explain to you what is the scenario on top of this char index, the situation. Okay, why we'll go for these multiple A positions and all. You'll get an idea tomorrow. Okay.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Don't worry. Yeah, and I want everyone to practice this char index and make sure understand everything. Okay, whatever I explain, just understand the logic. Okay, na? Don't blindly follow that n-1 rule. Okay, so someone, if anybody not understand, someone can take initiative and make them clear in the Zoom session.
Okay.
Okay, tomorrow everyone should be perfect in this.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay then. Hello. Bye bye.
Just remove the result window, sir.
I'll just remove the result window. Okay.
Yeah.
It's fine.
Yes,
sir. Okay, write down for all the A positions, first A, second A, third A, fourth A, fifth A. Okay. And then you can leave from the meeting. I'll stop the recording anyway.